chocolate bonbon. As you see, a beautiful kiss, and we will do it with amazing flavor. Mix berry jelly with ganache milk chocolate. So easy recipe, and you can see different combination, something jelly, something crunchy, both of them with the shell of the chocolate make a beautiful experience. You can feel it. First we have to spray the mold. 100 gram cacao butter, 10 gram red chocolate color. We blend it with hand blender, then make tempering chocolate, and then we spray. You can add it your decoration. You can make many techniques as we did in many videos. So please, if you didn't see the other video, you must watch. Then we cover with white cacao butter spray. Then we added the dark chocolate tempering. In case if you need to make with white chocolate, so you don't need to spray with white cacao butter. As you see, we fill the mold, we shake it very well to take out all the bubbles, and we leave it at least 50 seconds, sometimes 1 minute, just to make light shell. After that, we upside down the mold and we remove the extra chocolate, and then we leave it to crystallize. So if you want thicker shell, you can leave it 80 seconds, 70 seconds, is up to you. You can control the exact temperature. After 50 seconds, for me, it's the right way. I remove the excessive and I leave it to crystallize the chocolate. In meanwhile, I did already raspberry or mixed berry jelly, 300 gram of mixed berry, 3 gram agar agar, 30 gram sugar, all should be cold. I mix it, then I heat it up and boil it for 2 minutes. After that, I keep it aside, and we did in many video before. You can see the other video how to make this raspberry jelly. When it's cooled down, I bring in the container and I use hand blender, and as you see, very nice marmalade of raspberry. Somebody call it jelly. It is what it is. We fill the mold, third of the mold with the jelly. Don't be so generous because you have to cover with other type of ganache. Then you shake it. Very important to have all the filling is the same. So we shake it to spread the level of the jelly. And we can even put in the fridge for 5 minutes just to set. Then we can cover it with the ganache. The ganache is so easy recipe. 100 gram fresh cream, boil it, then we blend it with 200 gram milk chocolate and 15 gram cacao butter. That's it. So easy recipe. If I didn't put here because I don't want to extend the video, but I did this ganache many times in other chocolate bonbon videos. As you see, one side milk chocolate and the other side with other type of ganache, which make so different flavor. So it's up to you to change the flavor. And this is dark ganache. 100 gram fresh cream, 100 gram 70% dark chocolate, and then 15 gram cacao butter. So we boil the fresh cream, we add it to the butter and the chocolate, and then we cover it. Then we keep it in the freezer for 2 minutes to set, and then I have the heater just to take light heat on top to mix the dark chocolate to be exactly one piece. Now I cover with the chocolate, and then I use plastic acetate or transfer sheet plastic. Make sure that you start close the first row, then with a spatula or a scraper you press one time to different side. Make sure that it's enough filling the cap, and then you squeeze the excessive chocolate. Now we can keep it in the fridge 20-30 minutes, depend about your fridge, and then we can demold it. Here we go, very simple way to make kiss chocolate shape. Don't work harder, just work smarter. Watch all the video I have in the channel. Please make like, leave comment which next video we can do. Enjoy your day. Ahmad Yunus.